Seoul never stops reinventing itself, but every once in a while you stumble upon a neighborhood that rewrites the rules entirely. This is Seongsu, Seoul's most creative, most coveted, and honestly most fascinating district right now. Once an industrial heartland of shoemaking ateliers, printing houses, and small batch workshops, Seongsu built its identity on craft. Artisans came here to make things with their hands, shoes, furniture, metalwork, and that raw maker spirit, it never left. What happened next is what makes Seongsu genuinely extraordinary. Instead of bulldozing its past, the neighborhood leaned into it. Warehouses became destination cafes, factories transformed into galleries, those exposed concrete walls and unfinished ceilings. They didn't just stay, they became the aesthetic, and people are obsessed. Some come chasing Seoul's most talked about coffee spots. Others are here for the design, the fashion, the photography, but honestly, most people come for something they can't quite put into words. A pace that feels different, a vibe that's entirely its own. Seongsu is where trends are born before they go viral. A pop-up that lasts 2 weeks, a concept store tucked behind an unmarked door, a cafe that nobody's posted about, yet. It's the kind of place that feels like a discovery even when the whole world already knows about it. There's no performance here, no trying too hard. And that's exactly the point. In Seongsu, Seoul feels more intimate, more experimental, more alive. For the creatives, the locals, the ones building something new, Seongsu isn't just a neighborhood, it's a statement about where Seoul is headed. Not louder, not faster, but sharper, more intentional, more beautifully itself. Seongsu isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to understand. Explore Seongsu with KHOREA.